We are rocking and rolling on day 3. Can you believe it already? Are
I
you
know.
enjoying your December so far?
I know. Like Christmas is what, 3 weeks and some change, like 3 weeks in a day. I mean, it's yeah,
Have
creeping
you
up to
got
the
all
second.
your Christmas shopping done yet? I haven't.
We won't talk about that. I mean, if you've anyone in the audience is done with the Christmas shopping, you have my admiration.
Yes, some people are able to do it the whole year long, and I do get a Christmas list every year from my daughter. She's a young adult now, but I still get it because she knows that I love that. So I keep them every year. So, are you ready to open up day 3?
Absolutely, and it's your turn to go first.
All right. I like this trading turns. Like you go one day, and I go the next. Oh, cool. Oh, there's another card in this one.
Okay.
Oh, wow. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. So it
Very
says take
true.
a card and share it with a stranger to brighten their day. I love
That's
that.
really
How many times do we need that with our quilting when we're trying to do a project and we're just so frustrated and trying to figure out what we're going to do? And you know what? The best thing to do is just start.
yes, very, very, very true. And
Well,
so, what fabric did they give you?
I was going to say, let me go ahead and start and show you what fabric I have because I know everybody's chomping at the bit for this one to see what it is. This one is pinks and it's got some color purple in it, but it's got butterflies on it.
That's neat.
Yeah. I don't have any fabric like this one at all.
Almost looks batiky. It's not, but it's.
That's what I thought at first. I was like, it kind of makes me think of a batik. But
Yeah.
I think it's because of, like, if you look at it, let me see if I can see, can get it up closer. There, it's almost like the colors were like artistically
Yeah.
watched on with the paintbrush. You know how you.
Yeah. Well, the batiks are printed differently to a regular cotton, and I think that's where the difference is. Like a regular cotton, I think they just run it over and the rollers, whereas the batiks is done with water. And I don't know the specifics. I'm sure someone can tell me.
Me too.
I can't. I understand it, but I can't explain it. But that's what YouTube's for.
Yeah, that's a good one. That would be something to learn. What'd you get?
I got the same card.
Okay.
And then I got a really pretty batik this time again. Very like leaves and almost like ferns. And it's like it's coming up more purple in the camera than it really is. It's more a pinkish color.
Okay. Because I was sitting here drooling a little bit because it's purple.
Okay, the color's changed now, and it's closer to what it actually is.
Oh, look at it. Okay, when you bring it further back, it's more of like a fuchsia color.
Yeah, that's what it is.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, so I'm really, really happy with that. These are going to go together so well in a quilt or two. So yeah, I'm really, really looking forward to seeing what I can do with these at the very end.
Do you have any idea what you're going to do with yours yet?
No, I'll figure it out when I'm done.
Yeah. Well, they did give us what, 5 patterns?
They did give us 5 patterns, so yeah, we've got plenty to choose from.
Maybe we can figure out something to do with that. What are you all doing? If you're getting the boxes and opening them along with us, do you have any ideas yet of what you're going to do?
Yeah, let us know because we might need some inspiration.
Sean and Martha, we need inspiration. Help us out.
Yep.
All right. Well, that was fun. I enjoyed opening that one up. So day 3 is done.
Yep.
Okay. Guess what? We'll get to see each other soon again for day 4.
All right. Thanks for joining us, guys. And we'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Good night. Bye, everyone.